Hello again. Guess who's back? Me and Polina today. We're excited to be back. My wife is doing makeup on the client. I know I say this thing too many times. Remember I told you, make sure when you need makeup, call her to see how busy she is. She's gonna join us maybe a little bit later. But she's gonna make it before everything is done. So today we're doing something very, very exciting. And I'm gonna let Polina announce it. Polina, what are we cooking today?
Chicken Kiev, one of my favorite meals.
You see that? Chicken Kiev. Okay, so let's start. It's something that we in our family, we eat it at least once a month. That's how good it is. Okay, so let's go, start, and we'll show you step by step how good and delicious this thing gonna be. We're gonna do today chicken Kiev, something very, very delicious. We all love it, okay? We're gonna do mashed potatoes. We're gonna use chicken breast, parsley, dill, garlic, and margarine. So before I'm gonna start currying the chicken, I'm gonna start preparing the margarine first. Approximately, you gotta put 1.5 cups. So now we're gonna add inside this thing dill, parsley, and garlic. So approximately I'm making around 10 to 11 pieces of the chicken Kiev. So this is the amount of the dill that I'm gonna use, and this is the amount of parsley I'm gonna use. So let's start chopping everything. Okay, now that I chopped the dill and the parsley, I'm gonna put 3 garlic. Okay, now we're gonna add everything inside our margarine. I'm gonna put salt. You can mix it just the way I'm doing by hand. It's a little bit easier. Okay, so make sure everything goes everywhere. Okay, now that I mix everything, I put a plastic wrap, put everything inside over here. Now I'm gonna make a nice square. One of the reasons I'm doing this thing, then we're gonna cut cubes and for the amount that we need and put it inside the chicken and the mashed potatoes. Now we're gonna take this beautiful piece, put it in the freezer until we're gonna prepare the chicken. Let's start working on the chicken breast. You slice it thin. Look, I'll show you. Look, just like that. See? And one more. See how I'm doing? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I put plastic wrap, take my chicken, place them over here, because now you gotta flatten them. And take another piece of plastic wrap, put it on top, just like this. Let's make them nice and flat. Okay, watch. See how good it looks? But you gotta make sure it's thin, it's not too thick. Our margarine is nice and cold a little bit, not frozen completely, so now we're gonna divide it for the amount of the pieces that we have. And you should do the same. It depends how many pieces you do and you divide it for the amount of the pieces, okay? So I have 10 pieces and leave some for the mashed potatoes also, because it tastes extremely good for the mashed potatoes. Take margarine and roll them. After you roll them, you put them in the plastic over here. See? You roll them again, see, just like this. And you do it very, very, very tight. See how good they look? All our pieces are ready. Now we're gonna go and put them inside the freezer at least for half an hour. Let's start with the mashed potatoes, okay? That should be good. Let's add all the potatoes inside. A little bit of salt inside the water. Okay, so let's start preparing the mixture. This is where we're gonna dip our chicken. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour over here, a little bit of salt, black pepper. Mix it all up. Put it over here. Pemco, plain. A drop of salt, a drop of black pepper, dry parsley. Mix it all up. Put it over here. I'm gonna use 4 eggs. Mix it all up. Look how pretty it looks. Okay, so flour. You're gonna put in the egg. Oh, beauty, beauty, beauty. Flour again. One more time egg. And breadcrumb, pemko. And then we're gonna fry it, okay? Alright, now we're gonna put oil. This is where we're gonna fry it a little bit just to give that nice golden color. After we're gonna fry it a little bit to give a nice golden color, we're gonna leave it inside this barbecue thing and cook it for at least half an hour. Okay, so I start the fire. This is to make it nice and warm. Let's close it. Just a little bit, okay, just to give a nice color on all sides. Oh, it smells so good. Now that they give a nice golden color, we're going to take them out. Let's put the next batch in. Everything has nice, beautiful golden color and it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm gonna leave it inside my barbecue for half an hour, and in your case, just do it inside the oven. Our mashed potatoes is ready, so I'm gonna take, remember the mixture I did for the chicken? The same mixture I'm gonna put inside the mashed potatoes. You want more, Pauline? Pauline is, this is your favorite thing, mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes are my favorite. A little bit more.
A little bit more? Here, this is... Now we're gonna mix it. Look at this beauty. We're gonna do the testing right now, see how good it tastes.
I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite foods.
Yeah.
So let's cut into it.
Go ahead. You wanna cut or should I cut?
I think you should cut into it first.
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh, look at this juice. Okay, I'm gonna do the testing. Oh my god. Guys, crazy delicious. How does it taste?
So good. Oh my god.
Mashed potatoes.
Wow. It is so good. The chicken is so juicy and so flavorful.
It is very, very tasty.
Wow, it's so good. And mashed potato is my favorite.
Guys, another successful food.
Everything is so good. Oh my goodness. You guys have to try this. If you've never had chicken Kiev, you have to make it. It's so delicious. So that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this amazing, delicious recipe. Definitely try it because chicken Kiev is one of the best meals, and mashed potatoes, of course. And don't forget, you guys have to follow us and subscribe to us. And don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to follow us on our jewelry page. Everything will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier.
Guys, and you can check me out at LB Diamond, 23 West 47th Street. Anytime when you need something. The food is amazing. Try it at home. It's very, very delicious. You're gonna love it, okay? It was a pleasure being with you. Stay safe. Hope to see you next time. Take care.
Bye.